Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this lecture we're going to talk about some more things of the Bootstrap typography. So there we've used a lot of things. I'm going to apply some different kind of tags here. I'm going to apply the block quote now. Okay, so in general ways the block quote was a different thing with a different style, but now the block quote with the Bootstrap has a different level of designing. So I'm going to show you how it works. So hey, I'm gonna put some kind of content like hello, or we're gonna talk about we there we're learning Bootstrap version 4. Save it. Now I'm gonna go to the browser. I'm gonna check if it's actually working. I'm gonna go there and refreshing the page. So there is a simple Bootstrap the block code. Okay, now we need to apply the class cancel block code, and now save it. And now I need to go to the browser and refresh that. So now you can see that it's updated a little. You can see that it got bigger, became a little bigger with a little new style. I'm gonna go there back and I'm gonna apply something more with the block code, so you're gonna see that. I'm gonna put this content inside a paragraph tag, so I'm just cutting that off and just making a paragraph tag and pasting everything inside the paragraph. And I'm just making this like that. Some line breaks will make it more cool. And now I'm just making the footer. Absolutely, this footer is the block code's footer. And here I'm just setting the class of the block code footer. There is a specific class for that. So there, I just need to put something like important note. Okay. Save it. Now go to the browser, refresh the page, and now there is a thing we've got. If I just put some kind of BR tags just to make some balance, just refresh the page. Come on. Now you can see that this is a block code, so you can see that there was a difference in style. I'm just going down and I'm just making some more things. So what I'm actually making for now, did you ever heard the description list? I'm going to make a description list here, and I'm going to go inside the description list, and what I'm going to put inside the description list is the DT, different elements of the description. This is actually called the description term, so maybe you know about that. Maybe because people doesn't use this a lot much. So there I'm going to put something like newspaper, and right after the DT I'm going to put the DD, the description detail or something. So right after the DT I need to put something like the best way to get notified with the circumstances. Definitely it's not the best way these days, so the best old way, whatever. By the way, I'm just gonna go to the browser back and I'm gonna refresh the page. So I'm gonna see, yeah, you can see that the best way. Okay, there is something more we can do here, like adding in space and doing something like this sign. Save it, go to the browser back and refresh the page. So now you can see that this is, or if you just want to put this, whatever you want to put, you can. But there is a difference in the style here, because the previous one without Bootstrap was a really changed, had a really changed style. So this was the thing I just wanted to guide you in the typography. So we're done with the typography. We're gonna go and learn some more things in a Bootstrap, some more different things. So wait for the next class, stay tuned and get some practice done.